Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video I will show you how to check your saved contacts in your Gmail account and make sure they are syncing properly to your phone. This works on both phone and laptop. First, open any browser on your phone or computer. You can use Chrome, Safari, or any browser you like. Now type contacts.google.com in the search bar and open it. If it asks you to open the app, tap on Stay on Web or Continue to Website. Make sure you are signed into the correct Gmail account. You can check this by tapping on your profile picture in the top right corner. If it is the wrong account, switch to the correct one. Now you will see all your saved Gmail contacts here. On the left side, tap on the three lines menu. Here you will see options like Contacts, Frequent, Other Contacts, and Trash. Tap on Contacts to see the numbers you manually saved. Tap on Other Contacts to see email addresses that were saved automatically when you emailed someone. You can also check Trash to restore deleted contacts if needed. Now let us make sure these contacts are syncing to your phone. Open Settings on your phone. On some phones, scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup. Then tap on Manage Accounts. Select your Google account. Tap on Sync Account. Make sure Contacts is turned on. But on some phones you may not see Accounts and Backup. In that case, go back to Settings and tap on Google. Then tap on Services. Now tap on Google Account Sync. From here, make sure the Contacts toggle is turned on. If Contact Sync is off, your Gmail contacts will not appear in your phone's Contacts app. After turning it on, wait a few seconds. Then open your Contacts app and refresh. All your Gmail contacts should now appear there. And that is how you check and sync your Gmail contacts properly. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to Guide Pro for more quick and easy solutions.